Yo guys, things are heating up with Apple and Google versus Epic Games. Things have quickly escalated and it's now in the courts. This is interesting and the result of this case will either enforce the claim that as companies we can do whatever the fuck we want in our ecosystem as my house, my rules, or Apple and Google will finally have to prevail and be more friendly towards applications and smaller creators. So let's start from the start. This is interesting. Epic Games made a few changes and introduced a direct payment method to get around the payment fees on Android and iOS. This is somewhat customer friendly also, as the V-Bucks are now permanently discounted by 20% because they don't have to give 30% to Apple or Google, as you can see here. On the Android side, if you don't choose to use the Google payment services, you can avoid the 30% cut and still be available on the Play Store without any problems, but it's not simple as that. You can avoid the Google cut if you are any other app. But if you are a game, then things are a little bit weird and then you have to use Google payment, and that's why Google has removed Fortnite and so has Apple. Yes, I know this is against Google and Apple's terms and conditions of usage, but are these companies greedy? Yeah, you bet. That includes all three of them. Because Epic Games has introduced a method which now bypasses the 30% cut, they have been removed from both App Store and the Play Store. That's a bit too harsh if you ask me, and Epic Games is not taking any more shit from Apple and Google and they have decided to go to the court. Let the judge decide who is right and who is wrong. Epic Games was pretty sure that it will be removed from the Play Stores if it bypasses the payment methods, and they were ready with a 60-page lawsuit which followed immediately after the Google and Apple ban. They even already prepared an Apple diss track in advance. Personally, I want Epic Games to win, and they might win because they are forwarding most of the benefits to the customer and not keeping all of it for themselves. And I can bet that they will bring up the argument that this is monopolistic behavior from Google and Apple, it is killing smaller creators who can't afford to trade blows in court, because Google and Apple, they have a little bit of money, guys. They have a little bit of money. They absolutely have a huge team of lawyers which are ready to eat prey like Epic Games at just one command. Obviously, it's Apple's and Google's platform. They own the house, so their house, their rules. But sometimes these rules are just not the same for everyone. They gave a big discount to Amazon and some other big customers, but rest have to pay the full amount. So this could also bring the case in favor of Epic Games. Epic Games right now is, as they say, taking one for the team. If they win, it will be beneficial for smaller creators. If they win, Apple and Google will have to either change their rules for good or at least pay Epic a buttload of money and be more friendly from now on. Because during the Congress hearing, they were like, no, we don't have monopoly. There's Samsung, there's others. We don't take 30% because my house, my rules. We do it to have better experience, customer safety, data protection, and all these cute words. So if people continue dragging Apple and Google to court because of monopolistic behavior and it becomes maybe a regular thing, the next Congress hearing will also go a little bit different. Personally, like I said, I want Epic Games to win because if a smaller app is removed, they might not have a budget for the court fight. It could be so much costly and people might lose their livelihoods. I have always said this, monopoly is bad, and Apple keeps proving that point. At least on the Android side, we can sideload the things and the game is still available on Samsung store, but on iOS, if it's gone from the App Store, then well, it's gone forever. But whatever the court decides in this matter, we should respect the decision. I will keep you guys updated on how this drama goes. This is just the first day. It will be getting so much more exciting in the coming days, so subscribe for that. Let me know guys your thoughts on Fortnite suing Apple and Google. Give me the like button if you enjoyed, follow me over on Twitter, and guys, thanks a lot for watching.